Well, a leader has to do their best because I want to build and develop my employees to move on to bigger and better things. Uh, it's the veterans deserve it. That's just the bottom line.
It really is a fact when you have the opportunity to say to someone, what do you want to do? What do you love? What are you passionate about? And then being able to help them achieve that goal. I mean, that's like the gravy. I mean, that's the really fun part of the job.
Culture of integrity means that we do what we say, that we mean what we say, that our words are bond.
I lead by example. I try to practice what we're preaching, so to speak. Professionalism goes along with that. Being a good listener and communicator helps with that. Everybody's equal. Just having respect for the other person really helps a lot.
One of our persons that comes down to our desk is a director of this hospital. Why is it good? Because he cares. I was in the Air Force for 20 years, and I said, your person that's on the front desk, she is the nicest person I've ever seen as a guard for the entrance. 2 days later, she stopped me and she looked at me and she said, sir, can I thank you? I said, what for? And she said, the director came out and thanked me for doing my job well.
You have to make it personal. I'm just one of 2,200 employees that works in this medical center. I do that by living the same experience that all of our employees live. I like walking around. I like being part of the fabric.